Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I've got a couple of new charging handles, and they're both identical. I'm going to put one on my M&P 1522, and I'm going to put another one on my AR-15. And the reason for these is so that you can do either left-handed or right-handed charging. On the original equipment on most of these, unless you've got a custom gun, it's only left-handed where the release is. If you can see that. Trying to get better lighting going here and better sound. Um, so just replacing this with one of those, and it's pretty simple. I'm going to take down, separate the upper from the lower with these two pins here, there, and there. On the other side, you just push them, and I need two hands. Okay, so I popped those two out on this particular M&P 1522. They're captured pins, which I like a lot. They don't come all the way out. Some other rifles, they come out. So anyway, that's just a little detail. So just separate them, pull them right apart, and here's what we're going to replace right here. It's this easy, literally. Now this is different than a regular AR, so don't get confused. This is a 22 caliber blowback. All right, so you just pull this whole assembly out like that. See how this just lays right on top like that. Oh, different size, aren't they? I hope this is going to work. You said it was supposed to work. I have a bad feeling about this. Anyway, let's try it. I'm going to use two hands here. Okay, so this is Eagle Arms Armalite 5.56, and it's got a ATN night scope on it. And anyway, same two pins right there. One, two. I'm going to take this one apart. Two hands. Same idea. The two take apart pins are captured. I really like that feature. I would prefer not to have a firearm, a rifle that doesn't have that, an AR type that doesn't have that. But that's my preference. Okay, let's see what this charging handle looks like out here. So as you can see, completely different bolt from the 22. So this is the bolt carrier group. Just take that out first, and then you have to move that down a little bit to get it out. Now we're talking. That's more better. Okay. And before some troll puts a comment down there, make sure that um, your firearm is unloaded. Yeah, they were unloaded. Okay. So I am just going to put that left-handed one, or left side there. Take this. Yeah, see it goes in a ways, and then it pops up. See, I'm trying to show you that. In, and it pops up. And then you can slide the bolt carrier group back in. Sorry, I'm getting out of frame there a little bit. I'm trying to watch. I should just focus on the camera and not look over the camera. That would be better, wouldn't it? Doing this one-handed. Like that. Okay, now I'm going to need two hands to put the parts, the top, upper. Okay, I put it up in a vise just so that I could use my two hands and hold the camera and show you. So right now it's locked forward. The charging handle is forward, and the normal pull side is the left side. See how that works? Now I'm just going to lean over, and I will show you that it works on the right side too. Okay. Well, I like it. Going to range tomorrow. Sorry, I had my finger in the way. See, that's locked, and you pull this. It twists or angles a little bit, and that's the unlock part. Now it's locked. Just a little bit, like 10 degrees maybe, and it's unlocked. So I'm going to put the other one in my other AR. I'll show it to you. Actually, we'll make this all one big happy video, and then I'll just put a comment down, or maybe I'll take a little video at the range tomorrow and tell you how it worked. I don't see how it would not work, but I will do that for you guys and gals, okay? Okay, and you can see this one a little bit better because it doesn't have that big ass scope in the way. So, it's locked up, open, locked forward, open, slicker, and SNOT. So that worked. I don't know if I'm going to bring them both to the range tomorrow. I've been playing around with that scope because it's a lot of fun to take those long shots with it. But anyway, pretty much the same basic AR operas. These are drop-in replacements. So, like I said, I'll give you a comment on how it went at the range. Maybe I'll shoot some video, I'm not sure. And give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Let's go, Brandon. Don't forget those midterm elections coming up in about 30 days. Do the right thing. The right thing for your country. Okay? Bye-bye.